Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Duet washer water temperature sensor. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water temperature sensor. The water temperature sensor is what tells the washer what temperature the water is, so the main reason you'd be changing it out if it's shorted out and you're not getting proper temperature. In order to get access to the part, we have to remove the lower access panel. It's held down by a few screws underneath the bottom panel. So we're going to use our Torx 20 driver to take them out. So the screws are located down at the bottom. On this particular model there's 3 that go across. Once you have those 3 screws out, you can just shake the panel, get it to drop down, and then get it out of the way. In order to change the water temperature sensor, it's located right here in the tub. We can unplug the harness that goes into the water temperature sensor. There's a little locking tab on the bottom. All you have to do is press on it and it'll release it. Then you can pull the water temperature sensor out. It's going to be a little tight, so you may have to wiggle it and twist it to get it out. But you should be able to work it out. Now that we have the water temperature sensor out, you may want to consider changing this gasket as well. Even if it wasn't leaking, it's not that expensive. You don't want to change out the new sensor and then come back a week later and find out that your seal's bad and you got to take it all apart again. So you can consider changing both at the same time. Here's the old water temperature sensor next to the new water temperature sensor. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We can put the water temperature sensor back in. You can put a little bit of water on the temperature sensor to make it slide a little bit easier on the rubber. Otherwise it can be kind of tight to push in. Once you get it in and seated all the way, we can hook back up the wiring harness. All you have to do is snap it into place. And then you can run some water through the washer to make sure it doesn't leak. And if everything checks out, you can put the front panel back on. All we have to do is slide it underneath and lift it into place. Once you have it lifted into place, we can put the screws back in. There's a total of 3 screws that hold the bottom panel on. Now that you're done repairing the washer, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.